What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker pickup. Easter Sunday, happy Easter to everyone that celebrates it. And today we have a package from Adidas. So if you could tell by the title, you should already know what it is. But we're gonna do the unboxing together so I can get my first look. I've never had a pair of 700 V3s, so this will be my first pair. So let's get into it.
I'm really excited about these. I wanted these, so getting this open real quick.
Here we have the box, 700. Let you guys see the label first. Yeezy 700, made by Adidas, size 13. Colorway is Kyanite. Oh man, I'm excited for these. Let's check these out together. Let me get a first look. Wow, man. These are something else, man. Oh, this is see-through right here. You can see right through that mesh right there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to pick it up, but this right here, this mesh right down here is see-through. You can see right through to the other side. These are crazy. Look at this. Look at this shoe, man. This isn't a futuristic shoe. I don't know what is. It's got like some tough grip right here. It's really rough. Damn, man. Wow, these are nice, man. I'm gonna give you guys a look at these. Check them out, man. That is crazy. And also the cage is also glow in the dark. You got your Adidas branding right there on the back, bottom of the sole. It's got like a gum look to it, but it's on the bottom. You can't really see it from the side. This side is it's like a off-white kind of color. With that bottom with the ortho, I think that's ortho like peeking through. I don't know. Like I said, I never had a pair of 700 V3s, so this is my first pair. And you got the lacing system that the laces don't come off. But I mean, this is kind of like a slip-on. I don't think you necessarily need laces for these. Yeah, there's on the inside says Adidas Ortho Light, Adidas Yeezy Ortho Light in there. But my first impressions of these is just crazy. These are really good. And then you got your tongue. It's all one piece knitted together around the upper in black. And you got your hints of 3M on the toe there. You see the 3M right there. And that's up. I think that's the only spot where they have 3M on them. And it's like a blue with green. It does have hints of green. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but there are hints of green in here. It's not just blue. But this cage, man, I'm excited about these. Holy smokes, I didn't know these were this dope in person, man. These are crazy. I'm gonna see on the sizing. I went with 13 because all the 700s I have been a size 13, so that's what I went with on these. But as you guys can see, check these out, man. Your front, the inside. Yeah, it's got a little bit of green gold peeking through. I can't wait to rock these. I'm definitely gonna keep these. It's my first 700 V3. Like I said, this is like a tough, this right here, it's like a really tough material. I don't know what kind of material it is. It's like a rubber, but it's tough. It's not smooth like the 700 V1s or anything like that. It's not no suede. This shoe looks like it's gonna be something that I rock often. And this is some good, actually this would have been good for today for Easter. This is some good Easter colors right here. You got that little blue and green. Then you got the green on the bottom as well of the sole. You don't got no Adidas branding on the bottom. Only Adidas branding is right there on the heel. That's the only spot you got some Adidas branding on it. But man, these is crazy, man. I'm really excited about these. Well, what do you guys think about these? Were you guys able to scoop up a pair? Let me know in the comments. But hopefully you guys give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.